So yes, y'all, I'm just going about, as I've said to you earlier. This is another area in Kingston, guys, up in the hills. I want you guys to see what's going on with the hurricane that is upon us. If you look over here, you can see some trees bending because of the winds that we're experiencing, guys. Let me tell you something. It is not easy. And of course, I'm a bit cold because I'm wet. And yeah, let's get back to this. But guys, let me tell you something. Over here in Kingston, the winds are picking up. I was told that there are areas up in Stony Hills where trees are coming down on persons, and homes are basically can be damaged. Homes can get damaged because of the winds that we're experiencing. I know I'm in a group, and in the group somebody was saying that they have a lot of fruit trees in their yard, and a lot of them just coming down. Look at this tree, guys. If you look at it, you can see that the winds have been beating it. It's not easy, but at the end of the day, I hope in your home dry. And just a quick question. Are you guys prepared? How is it going for you? Just let me know. How is it going? Is it exciting? Because I know for me, it's a little exciting, but it's very scary at the same time. So I don't know if I'm the only one having these mixed emotions where it is concerned. And I am trying to brace myself for what is to come, but let me know, guys, what you think. I am a real estate agent, Lizzy, here in Jamaica. Anything real estate, again, guys, please hit me up. I love you guys. Just take a look and see what's, as you can see, this branch here, the winds apparently knock it down. And yeah, again, if you look at these over here, and these lovely officers are passing. They're doing their patrolling in the area to ensure that all is well and that people are safe. And yeah, see, this is what's going on, guys. This is really what's going on. Again, I am your girl Lizzy here in Jamaica. Anything real estate, again, hit me up. I am heading back to my car because, again, my shoes, yes, soaking wet. And I am also wet. But I have to let you guys see what's going on over here in Kingston. Well, this area in Kingston, in the hills. I'm going to head back out later to let you guys, basically give you guys an update of what's going on. And, I'm just hoping that we don't sustain too much damage compared to what happened in that, in that island where the hurricane is coming from. Guys, let me tell you something. I am a little worried, but again, we're good. But let me know what you guys think. I'm out here doing this, guys. Please don't forget to like this video. Hit me up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Again, there are a lot of real estate videos here. Very informative. And again, I am your girl Liz, and I really want you to see what's going on. I love you guys. Stay safe. Mwah. Bye.